Music. Welcome to my Amazon S3 review. Find links below. S3, or Simple Storage Service, is the world's leading cloud storage solution, trusted by companies large and small for its power, security, and adaptability. Built for developers, IT teams, and enterprise, S3 reliably stores massive datasets. Its scalability is unmatched, whether you need gigabytes or petabytes, S3 grows with you. Perfect for startups, expanding businesses, or companies with varying storage needs. S3 offers flexible pricing tiers, from standard for frequently accessed data to Glacier for long-term archiving, optimizing costs for any use case. Security is paramount. S3 boasts multiple layers, including encryption, access management for granular control, and versioning for file recovery. For sensitive data, integrate S3 with other AWS services like CloudTrail and CloudWatch for advanced monitoring. Developers love S3's powerful APIs, easily integrated into apps and workflows for highly customized cloud solutions. It also integrates with countless third-party tools for seamless backups, data processing, and media distribution. While S3 can seem daunting at first, comprehensive documentation and strong community support help even beginners get started. Scalability, flexibility, and robust security make S3 the top choice for reliable cloud storage. In short, S3 is the industry-leading solution with incredible flexibility, strong security, and scalable pricing, perfect for any business. Check the description for links and more info.